And counting. 17, guidance release. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Ignition sequence has started. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have commit and we have liftoff at 2:13. The Saturn V building up to 7.6 billion pounds of thrust, and it has cleared the tower.
This is Mission Control in Houston. We appear to have a good first stage at this point. Flight Dynamics Officer says the trajectory looks good. We show 1/2 mile in altitude at this time. 13 Houston, go at 30. All complete and perfect here.
That's the same double there.
Right for code 1 Bravo. Command. Altitude 1.2 miles, velocity 1,500 feet per second.
Level reporting there that everything looks good. Remember, this is his first mission in space.
13 Houston, go at 1. We show the camera leading. Roger. And at 1 minute 10 seconds, we show an altitude of 4.1 nautical miles. Downrange 1 mile.
15 tons of fuel a second now being burned by those 5 mighty engines.
All sources continue to report where go. The trajectory on our platform is right on the pre-planned line.
Another perfect launch.
And the booster engineer reports we're now through the region of maximal dynamic pressure. We're going.
That was the worst moment from the crew's point of view when the load on their bodies is greatest. And level reports that they're through and ready to go.
13 Houston, stand by for mode 1 Charlie. Mark, you're 1 Charlie. Mark, 1 Charlie. And 13, you're go for station. Go for station, Roger. We're going to get the manual course. Altitude now 17 miles, coming up on staging.
27 stages now about to separate.
Jim Lovell reports the onboard engine has shut down on schedule. We're confirming board out 13, you're looking good. Roger.
So there we are, an absolutely perfect takeoff.
Coming up on 30 miles altitude.
And we'll be back with news that the rocket has, in fact, successfully gone into orbit shortly. We shall give you that news as soon as we can.
Houston, trajectory is good. Thrust is good. Roger. Capcom Joe Thorne confirming to the crew that the second stage looks good at this point. We're now 46 miles high, 70 miles, 78 miles downrange. We confirm script set, Roger. Tower 10, mode 2, Jim looking good. Mode 2.
The launch escape car just transformed at this point.
Launch vehicle. Level reports that the guidance system is correcting the small nose. 13 Houston, guidance is good, and the CMC is go. Coming up now in 4 minutes. We're now at an altitude of 63 miles.
And at this moment, they're just about leaving the atmosphere already up to 400,000 feet and counting fast.